Imagine a world where your financial transactions are completely private and secure. A world where your money is truly yours, untraceable by anyone. This is the vision that led to the creation of Beam Wallet, a revolutionary cryptocurrency platform designed to protect your privacy and financial freedom. But who is the mastermind behind this groundbreaking project? Meet Alex Grinkovich, the founder of Beam Wallet. Alex is a seasoned technology entrepreneur with a deep passion for privacy and blockchain technology. Before Beam, Alex was involved in various successful tech ventures, including a company that developed innovative data analytics solutions. The journey to Beam. Alex's journey to founding Beam began with a growing concern about the lack of privacy in traditional financial systems. He saw the potential of blockchain technology to disrupt the status quo and create a more secure and private way of managing money. With his extensive experience in technology and a clear vision for the future, Alex assembled a team of talented developers and experts to bring Beam to life. The Beam Wallet concept. The core concept of Beam Wallet is to provide users with complete control over their financial transactions. Unlike traditional payment systems, Beam uses a privacy-focused blockchain protocol that ensures your data remains anonymous. One of the key features of Beam is its Mimblewimble protocol, which allows for highly efficient and private transactions. This means that your transactions are virtually untraceable, protecting your financial privacy. Challenges and triumphs. Building a new cryptocurrency platform is not without its challenges. Alex and his team faced numerous obstacles, including technical hurdles, regulatory challenges, and market volatility. However, through their perseverance and dedication, they were able to overcome these challenges and launch Beam Wallet to great success. The impact of Beam Wallet. Beam Wallet has had a significant impact on the cryptocurrency landscape. It has demonstrated the potential of privacy-focused blockchain technology and has inspired other projects to prioritize user privacy. Beyond its technical innovations, Beam Wallet has also empowered individuals to take control of their finances and protect their privacy in an increasingly digital world. So, who is the founder of Beam Wallet? It's Alex Grinkovich, a visionary entrepreneur who saw the potential of blockchain technology to revolutionize the financial industry. Through his leadership and the dedication of his team, Beam Wallet has become a beacon of hope for those seeking privacy and control over their finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.